Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize your Canva Wedding website template from start to finish. Let's get started. First, open the link you received with your purchase. This will take you to the Canva template page. If you're already logged into your Canva account, click Use Template or Open in Editor. Once the template opens, go to File, then click Make a Copy. This creates your own editable version in your Canva account. After the copy is created, you can close the original template. This first page is your main navigation page. It contains links to all the sections of your wedding website. You can navigate through the template by clicking the envelope icons or the linked text. To edit any navigation link, click the text or object, then click the pencil icon. Remove the existing link and paste your own, or select another page within your design. Now let's move on to the home page. Here, you can replace the wedding date by clicking on the date text and entering your own. You can also update the wedding time and venue in the same way. Next, replace the couple's names with your own names. You'll also see a Details button. If needed, click it and update the link so it points to your own details section. Next is the Wedding Photos section. To adjust an existing photo, simply double-click the image, then drag it until you're happy with the positioning. To replace a photo, open the Uploads tab on the left-hand menu and upload your own pictures. Once uploaded, drag and drop the new photo directly onto the existing frame. Canva will automatically replace it while keeping the frame style. Next is the Wedding Music section. Click on the song title and replace it with the song of your choice. Once you've updated the text, adjust the positioning if needed. Now let's customize the wedding countdown timer. Click on the timer link to open it in a new browser tab. Once the page opens, click New Countdown in the bottom left corner. From there, you can customize everything, including the wedding date, fonts, colors, background, and size. When you're finished, copy the new countdown link and replace the existing one in your Canva template. You can also update the couple's names and event date. Next is the RSVP section. Click on the embedded form. At the top, you'll see Edit and Responses. Open the Responses tab, then click Link to Sheets. Canva will create a new Google Sheet where all guest responses will automatically be collected. If you'd like to customize the RSVP form, click Edit and replace or add fields to match your requirements. Next is the Wedding Details section. Replace the existing text with your own information. You can also update your wedding timeline by selecting each text element and editing it the same way. The Gift section is next. Simply replace the existing gift links with your own registry or gift list links. After that, you'll find the FAQ section. Update the questions and answers to include information that's relevant to your guests. Finally, we have the Love Story section. Replace the sample story with your own journey together. Then upload your own photos using the Uploads panel and drag them into the photo frames. Once you've finished editing everything, click Publish Website in the top right corner. From there, you can publish using Canva's free website option or connect your own custom domain. If you'd like a personalized domain name, you can purchase one from any domain provider or contact us and we'll be happy to purchase and set it up for you. Once everything is finalized, publish your website and copy your invitation link. That's it. Your wedding website is now ready to share with your friends, family, and loved ones. Thank you for choosing our template, and congratulations on your upcoming wedding.